Hey, tech enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the future with some of the most innovative gadgets of 2024? From drones that save lives to flying cars and beyond, we've got it all covered. Let's jump right into these incredible gadgets that are redefining what's possible. First up, let's hit the water with the ArcSport, the all-electric wakeboard that's making waves in more ways than one. This beast comes with a 500 horsepower engine and a 226 kilowatt battery, all while producing zero emissions. The best part? It's whisper quiet, so you can enjoy nature without the roar of an engine. But what if you want to make your buildings as eco-friendly as your wakeboard? Meet Solskin, a revolutionary shading tool that not only provides shade but also generates solar energy. This self-learning system adjusts itself based on occupant levels, helping to cut down on energy usage while keeping your building cool. Now let's take to the skies with the Doroni H1 eVTOL. This two-seat flying car can travel up to 60 miles on a single charge at a top speed of 120 miles per hour. Whether it's for your daily commute or a quick getaway, the Doroni H1 is bringing the Jetsons lifestyle a bit closer to reality. Speaking of flying, imagine strapping on a backpack and becoming a drone. Yes, you heard that right. Skypak is a personal flying machine that lets you hover, interact with objects in midair, and move from point A to point B effortlessly. Think of all the possibilities, from firefighting to maintenance work at dizzying heights. Let's come back to Earth, but not quite. The Unitree G1 is a highly flexible robotic avatar from China that mimics human behavior and can handle tasks ranging from soldering to making toast. Weighing just 35 kilograms, this little powerhouse is all about utility with a touch of fun. And if you're looking for a drone that can save lives, check out the TY3R drone. This water rescue drone acts as a flying lifeguard, deploying a lifebuoy to those in need. It's equipped with a strong pulling force and can communicate over a kilometer of water, perfect for those critical moments when every second counts. Lastly, taking innovation a step further, the Umiles Next eVTOL is here to redefine air travel. This aircraft can carry 5 passengers and a pilot, all while being eco-friendly and operating at a low volume. It's designed to be the future of urban air mobility, making short flights quicker and greener.